Just come, tell your guy, say, Baba, if you take granite and red oil, you go last. Hey, way. You not go see granite again, I swear. Anything to last long in bed. One of my guys don't come, he say, Kceee, if you want knack, wear socks. I say, what did they happen?
Funny Bone Live, Aina Son.
Yeah, Lagos man, clap for me now, please. Lagos man, show me love now. Man, show me. Yeah, I'm a married man. Please clap for me. It's not easy. Yeah, please, man, please clap for me. Uncle, clap for me, please. This is not what I plan with my life, please. I used to work before. Now, motivational speaker built me here. He say you are bigger than your salary. Don't try it in Lagos. So. I was doing well. Until I was doing well. Oh. You know, motivational speakers. You know, if you don't have work in this Lagos, everybody in your compound know. For 2 weeks, I didn't go to work. My neighbor was like, Kceee, you not go work. I said, I'm on leave. He said, no problem, with the counter. No, that is not the painful one. No. Tell your neighbor you will not be jobless. Oh. Tell your neighbor you will not be jobless. You don't dare ask your neighbor go call you, say, please, my children close by 4 p.m. Can you help me to pick them? If you really look at them, you know, get job. And those children that God will punish, as you go pick them, they'll say, Uncle Kceee, always at home. Very, very useless people. This is not what I planned for my... Ladies and gentlemen, can you put our hands together for one of our supporters, the CEO of Victoria Crest Home? Let's put our hands together for our Oga, one of the people doing real estate well. Oga Okonkwo. Please, let's put our hands together for him, ladies and gentlemen. I like him. But if you are a house agent here, God will punish you tomorrow in Jesus' name. And they tell you, Lagos house agent, very wicked set of people. Very wicked set of people. You don't look for house for Lagos. It's only a Lagos house agent that will convince you that a small house is big. One of my guys, they look for house. They parlor now from here to here. Now they tell the agent, this house is small. The agent say, calm down. Now me pick him. Once you park in, the house go there. Lagos house agent. My guy don't go look for house. The toilet, kitchen, and bedroom, they the same place. Now me ask agent, which kind of house we did? He say, calm down, now me choose them. Once you use toilet, you bath, you eat, you go out. They use, for example, if you are looking for house abroad, the way your agent go describe the house for you, you will fall in love with the house. For example, you are looking for a house in a city like Atlanta. You call your agent, I'm looking for a house. The agent will say, don't worry, I'll call you back in 2 weeks. After 2 weeks, your agent will call you, this is what you hear. He said, I found something for you. This house was designed in 1855 by an Italian architect, Mussolini Veron. You they see house. He said, this house you are living in is a vintage. From the master bedroom is at the east end. You wake up to the rising sun. You they see house. He will tell you, say, from the balcony of your house, you are seeing the whole of Atlanta. He go come give you one line. Atlanta is living in your house, and you are living in Atlanta. You see house. Lagos agent get one line. Oga, from this house, you go park go your house. You they use Lagos agent they play. My guy rent house for Lekki phase 1. Agent say landlord they do give away. Say the house 3-bedroom flat 80,000. As he pay, he run, agent run. Month end NEPA bring bill 8.5 million. Now the agent tell us, I forgot to tell you, your house rent is your service charge. You they create. And one thing with Lagos, if you are looking for house, you start with pride. When I nearly got married, I called my agent. I'm looking for a house in Lekki, phase 1, in the heart of Lekki. You understand? You know, you get specification. I say, he can't say, what do you want? I say, I want like 3-bedroom that has dining area where I can park 5 cars. You don't understand? The agent can't say, what is your budget? I can't say everything. Everything. Let's put everything together. Let's not steal. Let's not everything. Let's be looking at 650,000. The way you shout, now the agent shout, he said they will arrest you tomorrow. You know, sir, if they give you price of house, now your taste go they reduce. Now I can't ask the agent say for that kind of specification, how much is it? He can't say 7.5 million. Now I might say, nothing really they like you. They not get water. Oh. Just as I was standing on Admiralty Ray, it's not good for children. Now I might tell the agent, can you move to Ikoyi? I don't know say Ikoyi na for ritualist too. Standing alone, you never make up your mind, 16 billion. Now I might ask the agent, how much is Ikoyi? He say Ikoyi is 12 million. I say Ikoyi, the president is no longer staying there. They don't even get good neighbor. Can you come to Surulere? Now the agent can say, Surulere is 6 million. I say, if you really look at it, Iyaba is very good though. It's just we that we don't know the value of Iyaba. You understand? You people are looking down at Iyaba. Now I might ask my agent, how much is Iyaba? He say 5 million. I say, uncle, if you really look at it, Onikpan is where Lagos State started from. People don't just respect Onikpan. Now I might tell my agent, can you come to Onikpan? He say Onikpan is 4.5. I say, if you critically look at it, Maryland is the commercial hub of Lagos. Very, very close to the airport. When you are anywhere you are coming from, I will pick you. Naim, I asked him, how much is Maryland? He said 3 million. I said, since you are in Maryland, Ojota is not far. It's just a bridge that is dividing them. So why will I pay for bridge? How much is Ojota? They say 2.5. I say, actually, if you look at the circumference of Lagos, K2 is a very good place. You have good neighbors everywhere. How much is K2? They say 1.5. I say, agent, do you know that there is an international market in Lagos? My 12 is a good place. Food is very cheap there. Give me my 12. He said, my 12 is 800. I say, we are getting there. Auntie, do you know where they call Owode Onirin? Oh, it's an island surrounded by water. Please, get me Owode Onirin. He says 600. I say, if you look at it, Ikorodu is Lagos. Once I take jetty, I'm on the island. As I'm speaking to you, I'm staying in Ijebu now. I can't. If on a one clap, more than clap, ladies and gentlemen. And one thing before I leave, sex is the most powerful thing on the surface earth. Can somebody say sex? Yeah, I know you are with your wife. Say sex. You people don't. See, if you come like this, if you want to know how powerful sex is, just come tell your guy, say, Baba, if you take granite and red oil, you go last. Hey, way. You not go see granite again, I swear. Anything to last long in bed. One of my guys don't come, he say, Kceee, if you want knack, wear socks. I say, what did they happen? Not be that one mess me up. My guy said, Kceee, I don't discover one update. He said, which one be that? He said, if you want knack, they watch NTA. I said, what is happening? He said, as you they see Nigeria problem, you know, come on time, you they crazy. More na clap if na the clap. I'm not happy doing this job. My wife is in Canada. I'm here fooling myself. $1 Canadian is 1,100. I sent 500K to my wife. She says she don't see him. Very, 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 very depressing. This country, very, very, very annoying. They crack joke until they press phone. If I did well, you are supposed to be upstage here. I'm not happy. Motivational speakers in Lagos, they have advice they are not using. One tells me what drives you determines what you drive. I say I'm for keke, na me pay for them. Very useless people. One time he say where you stay determine the people you see. Now Ikorodu they see. Very, very, very wicked. Now so they tell me resign your job, resign your job. There is no job in this Lagos, so I swear, if you resign, you will see Pepe at it. Even Ministry of Work not did there, you decrease. But ladies and gentlemen, enjoy the rest of the night.
Funny Bone Live, Aina Son.